How to observe our mind. Mind gazing is a highly difficult but potentially effective mode of activity, and once we reach this stage, we can control our behavior and attitude as we want. It's difficult. Before we begin to discuss this mode more deeply, it needs to be mentioned that it is a difficult topic and we need be careful enough not to generalize it for one and all. Due to various factors influencing the state of mind, this topic should not be forced upon someone. But everyone can do it. At the same time, everybody can understand the concept of mind gazing or observing as per their mental setup. It is often said that our mind is like a key, the key to unlock the cycle of birth and death. We need to train our mind to help us regain our lost or forgotten identity. The body is not our true nature. Our mind has been trained long enough to make us foolish, rooted in a false idea that our body is our true nature, and we are not separated from it. We have to train our mind to believe that we are what our body is not. A simple medical fact. Okay, consider this. It is believed in medical science that even after death, we are not really dead, and our body organs can be used for transplantation and can serve their functionality for someone else. Now what does this tell us? Body is like a machine. This clearly gives us an idea that these body organs are just like tools or parts of a machine that has stopped working due to power off in that machine. These tools can serve the part in another machine whose power is still working. Example of a computer. Consider this. The hardware in the computer is like our body. This software is like our mind. And the electric power is like the soul. Without this electric power, which is never visible and never comes to anybody's attention, the whole computer system stands still and can't work. The body, mind and soul complex. Similarly, our body and our mind are non-functional without the power of soul, which is invisible to our eyes, and don't come to the forefront when we discuss about this material world. The example of websites. Consider this. God, like a web designer, has planned that he needs a concept of internet where he could engross himself and play with his own creation. Human species, a unique category. After that, he created species like various categories of the site. We were sent as human category. Now there are different articles and graphics in our category that is parallel to our history. Why should you do it? Finally, why is it important to train our mind? Just to make it believe that all this is created by God and we have to unearth this mystery of creation. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.